In this video, we'll be showing you the quickest and easiest way to marinate a whole leg of lamb.
First, give the meat a good wash. For the marinade, you need
2 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of rosemary, 1 tablespoon of oregano,
1 tablespoon of thyme,
1 tablespoon of garlic granules, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, the juice from 2 medium-sized lemons. Mix them all together. And use a sharp knife to make holes in the lamb. Make the holes big enough to fit in your spice mix. And finally, rub in 1 tablespoon of dried pepper. Cover it with foil and set it aside in a cool place for at least 2 hours before you start to grill. Remove from the fridge 1 hour before roasting. Roast for 1 hour and 45 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Turn the leg of lamb halfway through the cooking.